Our target market, we touch a lot of different markets, from automotive components to electronic components, aerospace components, and so our target market is really reliability testing, and with that it touches many different markets in the industry. The type of experience would be an engineering background to some extent, but also being able to interface well with customers and our outside sales groups to be able to provide customers with the correct products and understand their needs, but also be able to work with our engineering group to make sure that we are able to design something that meets their needs.
Typically a pretty strong electrical background. We typically recommend like a degree in something electrically related or related experience. Definitely some mechanical background. We deal with a lot of pulleys and conveyors and things of that nature. So definitely some mechanical background. We deal with some pneumatics. Also. Also with electrical, we deal with a lot of PLCs and programming, HMIs. So somewhat of a programming / electronic background is also helpful.
I chose to work at TPS due to my background in education and heating, ventilation, and design technology, and the interesting equipment that is manufactured here.
I guess from a high level, I've just always liked figuring out how things work and function, and the job's a good fit for that. We have to make sure everything functions correctly and understand why.
What makes my job unique is the amount of different departments that I interact with and the people. I get to see the equipment from start to finish during the manufacturing process, from the sheet metal at the infancy of the project to the fully assembled product at completion prior to shipping it to our customer.
So I like manufacturing largely because all the job opportunities that it brings. So manufacturing touches our lives in countless ways. Everything that you use on a daily basis goes through some kind of manufacturing process, and we get to be a part of that here in the United States because of all the job opportunities that come available with the manufacturing processes.